There are places in this world that you are certainly not prepared for. The beauty is absolutely breathtaking. And some of the other places that we find are exciting and rewarding. So in last week's episode, it ended off with me dunking my drone into the lake and it not working. Well, with a whole bunch of luck on my side and drying it out for the night, miraculously, it works this morning and I get to show you my camp. We had an interesting night to say the least. There was a drummer that had his drum set up inside the woods, and he was playing all by himself throughout the night. It was really entertaining. Well, we're all packed up after having breakfast, and we're ready to hit the trails for today's adventure. It's going to be fun. It's green on this side and it's dead on the other side of the ravine. Just minutes down the road from the camp that we stayed at, we took this little trail to the left, and look what we found. I'm going to do a drone shot.
Cool, eh?
Yeah, you want to park angled to me so we can do that drone shot? It might not translate to video so well, but the length of this tarmac was impressive. It felt like a race car going down the quarter mile, or Luke Skywalker flying out of the Death Star in his X-Wing fighter. To say that we had a blast would be an understatement. This truly felt like a huge thrill of a lifetime. The only thing that I can think of that would make this a lot funner is if Mark had his 392 Wrangler with us. That would have been something. Yep, that was a good trail.
You got that right.
Did you mark this on your Gaia app?
It is. This is going to join back to the trail we were at yesterday.
Right on. This adventure has been great thus far, but it's about to get even better once we get to this new camping spot. Mark spent a week planning out this trip, and our new camping spot is right around this bend. We finally arrived to our new camp for the night, and I'm taken back by how stunning it is here. It's absolutely beautiful, and let me just show you around of what it looks like. So we're starting early to get some coals made for tonight's supper. We've got Mark down here cutting down some logs, and we're gonna have roast beef tonight. Gonna cook that on the Dutch oven. One of the first things I like to do when we reach camp is set up the tent for the night. That way I can relax for the evening and not have to worry about doing it in the dark. Now that the logs on the fire have turned into coal, it is time to start cooking supper.
Yeah? Very kind of extreme. All those seasonings and stuff.
Wow. That turned out really, really good. One of the precautions that we take being out in the wild is putting our garbage up in the tree so not to attract animals. Last day out on the trip. Look at it out here this morning. Beautiful night last night. So we're going to head home in a few hours after we have breakfast. If there's one thing that I've learned from being out at these campsites, it's that you need to step away from everyday life and just relax and enjoy yourself. These past 5 days went by really quickly, but I don't take a single second of it for granted. We're getting close to the beginning of the trail where we first started, and I decided to let Mark and Karen go ahead a little bit so that the dust can settle before we drive through it. This was the perfect opportunity to get the drone up in the air for some epic footage.
Look at the loon, the little baby's riding on her back. See that? Oh, I think it was, I'm not sure. Oh, she wasn't. It looked like that for a second.
That's pretty cool though, I got her in the shot. These are the same loons that welcomed us when we arrived, and now are here to say goodbye. Mama's under the water right now. This is the small town of Barry's Bay where we're gonna go and air up for our trip home. We've been gone for 5 days, and yeah, this has been a great time with Mark, Karen, Tracy, and I, and we're gonna do it again, so join us next time. Since making this video, Mark, Karen, Tracy, and I have gone on a few more trips. If you want to see this footage, make sure you subscribe. Give me a thumbs up on this video, and we'll see you again next week.